Rob here from Media. In this video, we're going to be talking about the basic gallery element in Elementor, so stay tuned. At Media, we help companies to grow and thrive using the latest tools, tricks, and marketing techniques. From websites to online marketing, automated sales funnels, social media, and much more. We're always releasing new content on our YouTube channel, so make sure you click the like, subscribe, and notification button to make sure that you don't miss out. Just before we get going, I want to tell you about an exclusive offer we have on at the moment. We're giving away free access to our paid Hub platform to the first 50 people that click the link in the description. We're going to be putting this link in the description of all of our videos, so make sure that you get in there as quick as you can. Within Hub we have created over 100 training videos in 13 courses, including a course on how to build a website using Elementor. You'll also find recorded webinars and a host of other free content, so remember to click the link in the description. Let's get on with the video. Hello, welcome to this video. We're going to be talking about the basic gallery element in Elementor. For this to work, you're going to need a couple of images already loaded into your media library. Before we begin then, I've got a page layout of Elementor full width. I've got one section here with one column in, and I've changed the background color of the section to blue. To get back to our elements then, we just need to click the grid here. So if you haven't got Elementor Pro, there is an option for a basic gallery. We can search for this in our widget. There it is. Let's drag the tile into our column. Currently we haven't got any images selected, so it's not showing any, but let's show you how we can put some images in. In this video, we're going to go through content and style. A lot of the advanced options have their own videos, so I suggest you go and check those out. But let's go back to content and let's add some images in. So let's click this icon here to put our images in. Let's select a few of them and click create new gallery. So in here we can put captions. I've got a couple in already. So I've got yellow here, I've got design in here, and I've got laptop. Let's just change that to a capital D. Let's insert this gallery then, and we can see that our images are now visible. So currently we can see that these are perfect squares. They are set at thumbnails of 150 by 150 pixels. We could display these at a medium size if we like, but this will obviously take into account the ratios. And again, if we went full, it takes into account the ratios of the images, including landscape and portrait as well. So let's go back to thumbnail for now. We've got columns. So I like how this is set out. It's columns of 4, but we could go from 1 up to 10 if we like. We can then choose to link these images if we like. So we've got media file, attachment page, and none. I'm going to go with media file because that then gives us the lightbox option here. And in this option, I'm going to select yes. This means when people click on the images, a lightbox comes up. They can click through, and you can see down here we've got the image title and we've also got the description. As you can see, we have got these license-free images from unsplash.com. Close the X then. Let's just go back to the settings of our gallery. Let's click that. Then we've got order by, default, and random. Let's just go with random for now. So that's how to use the basic gallery and how to put the images in. I'm going to stop for a moment so that you can put your own basic gallery in, and in a moment we will style this. Let's go up to the top left and style our gallery then. So the first option we have is the spacing. So we can have the default. I'm going to click custom, and we can see how this affects our gallery. I will leave it on the default though. Then we've got the border type. So we could have solid, double, dotted, groove even. I'm going to go with solid, and I'm going to put the width of this border to 5, and I'm going to change the color to white. Our next option, the border radius. This is how smooth or rounded the corners are. I'm going to leave this on 0. Onto the caption, we can choose whether we want to show or hide, but for the sake of this video I will choose show so we can go through these options. We've got alignment then, we've got left, center, right, and justified. I will go with center. We've got the text color, we'll go with white, and the typography, I'm just going to select Amatic SC. It's not very clear at the moment, so I'm just going to up the size maybe to 1.5, and then bold. So that's the styling of the basic gallery, and we've also gone through the content. So if you're happy with what you've done, just go down to the green update button, and we will see you in the next video.